Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is a big honor having you here at the 4th World Kurdish Congress. This event and your attendance is another historic moment for the future of science and the future of the next generations. It is also another proof of the strong relations between Kurds and USA, which reflected the importance of the efforts that we can do together for making science and humanity stronger. Thanks again and welcome to the 4th World Kurdish Congress. Now I want to leave the mic for Dr. Alan Dilani, President of the World Kurdish Congress, to give us his introduction to us at this event. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, Mr. Kurd.